Some Lysia Plesu water project update. Yesterday, the Masons went to the village to complete the platform. So as you can see, the platform is now completed. And what is left is fitting the hand pump, right? The hand pump being fitted. So hopefully by early next week, the hand pump will be fitted. I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody, anyone that donated, right? Everybody that donated, that shared my post, that helped in any way, right? It's because of you that is being done. It's because of you that this community is going to get clean water. I want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. Inye mimewu, ingela ne mwade nyeke hiye mesi yeme ya na pay platform he na ke hand pump mama ni ke mane nyele ike ma ha no fe no kone chuska no fe no kone share post me no fe no kone de enyimi nga he fe ko kan eba boa ike ma ha nyechum pio ne epiaji amaba feed hand pump lo wange here kan hogbi lo people bi ka ya next week ya amaba feed hand pump lo ike ma ha nyele ne no ya nyechum ka